Fins up, friends. Today we have a resale of this coconut with a preserved view. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Give me a ring and let's check it out. It's got a pretty blue outside, and as we enter, you can see coming right in from the door, if you take a left, you've got your first guest quarters to the front of the house. And a couple updates to note in here are going to be the crown on the ceiling, as well as the fan is already installed with this beautiful paint color. Now we're headed into the guest bath, beautiful blue with gold hardware. You've got some updated faucet options, your seamless glass, tiled to the top. All of this is here. Now we've got our converted den space into another bedroom. You do have a closet, and again, you can see the crown and the fan already installed. Heading back out to the main space, here you've got your garage, and here is your HVAC closet. Now, the decor may not be your style, so look past that at the recessed lights, the crown molding throughout. Here's your laundry with cabinets at bottom and top, beautiful, and the living space in this coconut. Right off in this kitchen, I noticed the undermount lighting. This island is beautiful. I love the faint grains there. Your pendants are stunning. This lighting was obviously not a standard options choices. They installed it afterwards. But notice the vaulted ceiling and all of the can lights throughout, so it adds lighting if you need it universally. And I love that fireplace. Let's check out the main bed. As with every home, your main bed has the views on the back, so you've got these beautiful, quiet, pristine, preserved views. And look how much ample space there is. You got tray ceilings with crown, the recessed lighting, and a fan. And of course it leads right into the main ensuite. In this one, they've added the cabinets here as your more closet space. You do also still have the crown around the top. Beautiful deep blue cabinets and a nice large shower here. Notice too, they have recessed lighting. You know that I love how they make water closets, and then they have upgraded the shelving for their actual natural closet. Let's head out back for the views and the lanai. Welcome to this beautiful oasis. As you can tell, the owners have quite the green thumb, and it's beautiful back here. But when you're looking at the actual home, it is an extended lanai looking over this preserve with the screen over the extension as well. So you've got all of this space. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the links there for you. And if you have any questions, you just let me know. And don't forget, I can help you buy or sell in Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Bye.